All right, welcome to Bluesday Tuesday, number 8. Okay, we're going to do some Allman Brothers today. We're going to have One Way Out. We're going to do a little bit of Southbound. So One Way Out, we have... Okay, so we got that A note going down to the octave of that, so the 7th fret of the D string. We're going to do 2 hits on that 7 and a pull off to that 7 on the A. Back to that A note there, 7th fret D. Okay, so, and then pull off to that lower note, and then 5, 5, 7, 7. So the second one ends a little different. You get that G note to that E note. So. Okay, let's try that real slow. 3, 4. Okay, then we're going to go down to D. 3, 4. So it's all the same exact stuff. You got your D, you got your octave here in the G string. And then we're back to A. And then we're going to go to the E, the 5 chord. 7th fret, A string to its octave. And then we'll hit the D and stop right there, and then it starts over. 3, 4. Three, 4. So if we're going to do the chords on that and think of your A minor pentatonic scale, if you want to do a little jamming on this. 3, 4. 4 chord, D7. E7, D7, A7. All right, how about take a solo over this? I'll play the riff. 3, 4. Three, 4. All right, so let's check out another one. Let's get into Southbound. Southbound is in C. And it starts out with a little thing where we do B flat 7 to B7 to C7. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and Okay, so you got your C minor pentatonic up in there you can play around with. You also have your those notes that kind of go with the major 3 of the arpeggio of that C7. So that's 8 up here, the C, and then you got 7 and 10, and sliding into that 7, maybe using a riff like is a cool way to kind of use some of the notes of that arpeggio. You got 7-10 on that one, then you got 8-10, and then you got this 9 right here. That's one you can go half step into. See, so I use the one to go into that note, but I also have this note here from the pentatonic minor scale, so you can combine those things. Got a little chromatic there. So you got all these notes you can do in a blues. You got the 11, 10, and 8 on all 3 of these strings. You also have that's your major note that's in that C7 chord. You could also slide up into that note. That's the octave of that. And then down here, we have that lower octave. Okay, so let's jam out on that a little bit. Then we got a cool riff on Southbound coming up too. So, all right, let's go from that intro and then think about if you're up here, you do little fills up in there in that extended position up there, that second position. So it'd be like. That kind of stuff, right? 1, 2, 3. One, two, going to the 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we got this cool riff for Southbound. Okay, and then we're going to take that same riff to the other notes of the 1-4-5. So we got an 8, 2 8s, 2 7s here. Then we got the 8, 9, 10. Then we got 7, 8, 9, 10 on the next string. And let's start on the F, 3 and 4 and. Back to the C, 3 and 4 and. Then we got the G, 10th fret of the A string. Down to the F. To the C. Okay, so 3, 4. All right, thanks for watching Bluesday Tuesday. Hope you all dug that. We'll see you next week with more blues.